Spooky season has begun, and it is currently 100 degrees in California. Love that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys some Halloween phone themes. So I know you guys really enjoy my phone themes, so I decided to add a little phone themes for Halloween. So these are perfect for the month of October, and since we just began this month, I feel like it's super appropriate to share with you guys some that I found. I think you guys will really like them. I have two different ones that I'll be sharing with you guys. They are different looks, and I feel like you guys can find a way to rock them and do different styles as well. So this is the first style that I'll be showing you guys. It is a free phone theme, so this is perfect because I try to find free phone themes for you guys. So I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys enjoy. Enough rambling, let's just get this video started. Alright guys, here is the awaited themes that I love to share with you guys. I just think they're so fun. So this is a free theme, and that is the name of the theme and the creator, and I am just going to download it. This one is super pretty because it's super like girly and cute, but it's Halloween, so I feel like it's perfect for this month coming up, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. This is one of my favorite seasons because of all the fun stuff, so here I am applying it. It's called Halloween Gift. Oh my gosh, guys, I am dying. I can't. So this has a lot going on. Let me show you guys. So once again, the purple matches pretty good with my theme here. So we have this kitty cat with two pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns, and one has like little treats and candies, and then the icons are pumpkins and a little witch hat. I love how it looks. Then this is the home screen. I love this. I love the, oh my gosh, more orange. Love this orange up here, and then a lighter orange. Super cute. This we have, oh my gosh. So it's orange, such a good, very modern twist to this you know, Halloween vibe. And then we just have the little image up there. Let's see what this, oh, it's orange, of course. And then we have, looks like this, so it is orange tones, and then we have this as our contact. It's just a little kitty witch, and more orange and purples right here. This is how it looks like. Super cute, super pretty. I love this. And then we have the calculator, which is just some different tones here, and let's see how it looks. So these are my folders right here. They're just pastel and orange hues, and here are the other icons right there. Let's check the calendar. So the calendar just has very simple white and orange, and then our clock looks like this. Ooh, we got the little image going on right there. If you guys could see, that's how it looks. I love that. And now, as for the lock screen, yes, so cute. This is a really simple, like, Halloween lock screen. I feel like it's really cute, really subtle. I love how it just looks really crisp and cute. They're like smiling, which I love that. They aren't animated, but I feel like it just looks really nice regardless. Let's see, always on display. Okay, this one does not have always on display, but that's okay. And I don't think it has an iris scanner. No, there's no iris scanner. So it's alright, but we still love this theme because it's free, it's simple, it's cute, and I feel like you guys will definitely enjoy this for the month of October. So I hope you guys like this theme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!